Hi children, welcome back my little ones. So last class what we studied? We have studied about shelter, isn't it? Okay, different rooms in our house we studied, and then the two types of houses. Which are the two types of houses? Say louder. Say louder. I can't hear. Say louder. Which are the two types of houses? KUTCHA house and PUCCA house. Okay. So KUTCHA house we can see in villages, and the PUCCA houses we can see in cities, towns, and nowadays we can see in villages too. Okay. So we are going to next page. You just take the worksheet and take page number 131. So you have already learned the two types of houses. Take page number 131. Okay. So you already studied there are two types of houses are the KUTCHA house and PUCCA houses. Okay. So different types of PUCCA houses. Okay. The PUCCA houses we can see two. They are bungalows and multi-storeyed, that means flats. Okay. Have you ever seen the bungalows and the flats? Of course, isn't it? In the nearby you can see so many bungalows and the flats you can see. Okay. So the two types of PUCCA houses, bungalows and multi-storeyed, that means flat. Look at the picture of bungalows. Okay. Now you just look at your worksheet. Bungalows are big houses with lot of rooms. Okay. Bungalows are big houses. They are big houses with lot of rooms. There will be lot of rooms. They mostly have beautiful gardens also. Okay. In bungalows, usually they have beautiful garden also. They are strong and very convenient for living. Convenient means suitable. They are suitable for living. They are made up of iron, cement, brick and sand. Okay, the bungalows are made up of iron, cement, brick and sand. It is very strong house, isn't it? Okay, I'll read one more time. Bungalows. Bungalows are big houses with lots of rooms. They mostly have beautiful gardens also. They are strong and very convenient for living. They are made up of iron, cement, brick and sand. Okay, the bungalows are very strong houses. They have beautiful garden in front of the gardens also. They mostly have gardens also, and it is very strong and convenient for living, and they are made up of iron, cement, brick and sand. Okay, got it about bungalow. Next we can move on to next house. What is that? Is multi-storeyed or flats. Multi-storeyed or flats. Look at the picture of the flats. Multi-storeyed buildings. These multi-storeyed buildings are found in cities. Okay, it's another name for multi-storeyed is flats. Okay, multi-storeyed buildings are found in cities. We can see in cities these flats. They have many houses. Okay, in the flats you can see many houses. You can see one on the top of the other side and side by side. Okay, they have many houses. Okay, multi-storeyed mean you can see many, not only one house, many houses you can see. How is it situated? They have many houses, one on top of the other and side by side on the top or down you can see many houses. Many families live here, not only one family, many families live here. They are known as flats. They are known as flats. The multi-storeyed house is known as flats. Got it? I'll say one more time. Multi-storeyed buildings. Look at the picture. Those are multi-storeyed buildings are found in cities. Okay. These houses you can see in cities. They have many houses. Okay. The multi-storeyed means you can see many houses. One on top of the other and the side by side on the top you can see many houses. Many families live here. Not only one family, many families live here. They are known as flats. They are known as flats. Flats. Okay. You got it. It's very easy, isn't it? Okay. Which are the two different types of PUCCA houses? The two different types of PUCCA houses are bungalows and multi-storeyed or flats. Okay. Bungalow means what? They are having many rooms. They mostly have beautiful garden. Also, they have very strong and very convenient for living. Convenient means suitable for living. And they are made up of iron, cement, bricks and sand. And next one is what? Multi-storeyed flats. Okay. Multi-storeyed flats means what? You can see many houses and many families also you can see. And how they are situated? One on the top or the other side you can see many houses and they are known as flats. Understood about the two different types of PUCCA houses. Next we can move on to what, children? Next we can move on to different types of KUTCHA houses. Okay. So KUTCHA houses means what? KUTCHA houses we can see in the villages, isn't it? You can see normally in the villages is PUCCA houses. Okay. So the 5 different types of KUTCHA houses are there. Which are they? Huts, houseboat, caravan, igloos, tent. Just say one more time. Different types of KUTCHA houses: huts, houseboats, caravan, igloos, tent. These are the 5 types of KUTCHA houses. Okay. The first 2 houses we can study in this class. Rest of the 3 houses we can study in the next class. Okay. So children listen here. 5 types of KUTCHA houses are there. Okay. Today we are learning only these 2 type of houses. What do you mean by huts and what do you mean by houseboats? Rest of the 3 KUTCHA houses we can study in the next video class. Okay. So first we can look what do you mean by huts. This is the picture of huts. Okay. We already learned how it's made up of. The huts are made up of the dry leaves or straw, mud, isn't it? Okay. So different type of KUTCHA house. Huts is a picture of the huts. Huts are seen in villages. Okay, huts we can see in villages. They are not very strong. Look at the picture. Okay, the huts are not very strong. They are not very strong and normally have only one room. It has only one room. Okay, only one room. It is made up of mud, straw and leaves. It's made up of mud, straw and leaves. Got it? It's a picture of hut. Okay, different type of KUTCHA houses. The first one we are learning about huts. This is the picture of the hut. Huts we can see in villages. You can see huts. They are not very strong. They are not very strong and normally have only one room. It is made up of mud, straw and leaves. Got it about huts? Next we can move on to houseboats. Look at the picture. It's a picture of houseboat. Have you ever seen the houseboat? Yes. Houseboats. Houses on boats are called houses. Houseboat. Okay. Houses on boats are called houseboats. Very easy, isn't it? Houses on board are called houseboats. They move about in water. Okay, the houseboat, it will move in the water. Houseboats in Kerala are huge. Okay, in Kerala we have huge amount of houseboats. Slow moving barges used for leisure trip. Okay, barges means is a big flat board. It's a big flat board is known as barges. Okay, B-A-R-G-E-S, barges. Okay, the slow moving barges used for leisure trips. Kerala houseboats are considered as convenient means of transport. Okay, Kerala houseboats is considered as convenient means of transport. For Kerala, it's a convenient means of transport. What? The houseboat is the convenient means of transport. We are convenient, isn't it? They are made up of wood. Okay, the houseboats are made up of wood. You got it? Okay, I'll read one more time. Okay, it's a picture of a houseboat. Houses on boats are called houseboats. Okay, houses on board are called houseboats. They move about in water. Okay, the houseboats, it will move in the water. Houseboats in Kerala are huge. Okay, houseboats in Kerala are huge amount of houseboats we can see in Kerala. Slow moving barges used for leisure trip. Okay, the slow moving barges used for leisure trips. We are using this slow moving barges. Kerala houseboats are considered as convenient means of transport. Okay, for the Kerala, it's a convenient means of transport. The houseboat is a convenient means of transport. They are made up of wood. Okay, the houseboats are made up of wood. Got it. So today we are learning only this two types of PUCCA houses and the two type of KUTCHA house. The five are the. Today you are learning only these two, huts and houseboat. Okay. I'll tell one more time. House means what? Huts are seen in villages. They are not very strong. Normally have only one room. It is made up of mud, straw and leaves. You just repeat after me. Okay. Huts. Huts are, you just look at your worksheet. Huts are seen in villages. They are not very strong and normally have only one room. It is made up of mud, straw and leaves. Next is houseboats. Picture of houseboats. Houses on boats are called houseboats. They move about in water. Houseboats will move in the water. Houseboats in Kerala are huge, slow moving barges used for leisure trip. Kerala houseboats are considered as convenient means of transport. They are made up of wood. Okay, you just repeat after me children. Houseboats. Houses on boards are called houseboats. They move about in water. Houseboats in Kerala are huge, slow-moving barges used for leisure trips. Kerala houseboats are considered as convenient means of transport. They are made up of wood. Okay? And you can see the some underlined words. Okay, those words you have to learn. You just repeat after me, okay? Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W-S. Bungalow. Next is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Third one is flats. F-L-A-T-S. Flats. Fourth one, houseboats. H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T-S. The fifth one is Kerala. K-E-R-A-L-A. Just repeat one more time. Okay? Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W-S. Bungalow. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Flats. F-L-A-T-S. Flats. Houseboats. H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T-S. Houseboats. Kerala. K-E-R-A-L-A. Kerala. Okay. These words you have to learn. Okay. Shall we read one more time? You just repeat after. You just look at your worksheet and repeat after me. Different types of PUCCA houses. Bungalow. Bungalow are big houses with a lot of rooms. They mostly have beautiful gardens also. They are strong and very convenient for living. They are made up of iron, cement, brick and sand. Multi-storeyed flats. Multi-storeyed buildings are found in cities. They have many houses, one on top of the other and side by side. Many families live here. They are known as flats. Different types of KUTCHA houses. Huts. Huts are seen in villages. They are not very strong and normally have only one room. It is made up of mud, straw and leaves. Houseboat. Houses on boats are called houseboats. They move about in water. Houseboats in Kerala are huge. Slow-moving barges used for leisure trip. Kerala houseboats are considered as convenient means of transport. They are made up of wood. Children, listen here. KUTCHA houses, how many are there? 5 types of KUTCHA houses are there. Rest 3 houses we can study in the next video class. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to read page number 131 3 times and also learn the underlined words. Okay. And see you in the next class. Bye.